Well, I've just pitched my Nature Hike 10 Golden D tent and it's just started to rain. So I'm at Great Haywood just trying it out. My trip to the Peak District was a disaster because there are no trains running, which was a major disappointment. I'll fill you in more. This is the view from my tent, which is Canal Junction. It's quite pretty. I just thought I'd include it in the video. This is a side view of the Nature Hike 10 Golden D, or 10D Golden, and in the background you can see the canal.